Fruits are fun, energy for everyone. I'm the mango, golden sweet, the coolest summer treat. I'm the pear shaped like a bell. I keep your tummy feeling swell. Fruits are great, fruits are fun, energy for everyone. Fruits are great, fruits are fun, energy for everyone. Red and tiny, that is me. I'm the strawberry. Blue and round, I'm small and neat. The blueberry, oh so sweet. Orange power like the sun, health for everyone. Crunchy apple, red and grand, best fruit in the land. Fruits are great, fruits are fun, energy for everyone.
Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Zizi Studio. Hello Gogo, today I want to show you how fruits can talk. Don't be surprised, fruits can talk. Of course, not by magic. Ready? Let's go! All right kids, first things first, I'm gonna show you the secret to making a perfect clay ball. Place your clay on the table, put one finger on top, and without pressing down too hard, draw imaginary circles in the air. Keep going until it's perfectly round. You can also do this by placing the clay in the palm of your hand. Now, let's make a roll. Place your clay ball back on the table, put your finger on it, and now, up, slide up and down, forward and back. See? That's a perfect roll. Remember, every eye and mouth we build starts with just these simple circles and rolls. Now let's make the eyes. For this, we need 2 red circles and 2 white ones. Gently press them down with your fingertip until they are flat. Next, we need 2 tiny black circles and 2 thin black rolls. Place the black circles onto the white ones. Now the eyes are open. And put the black rolls onto the red ones. So cute, right? Okay, now let's get to work and build these mouths. Let's create the mouth. First, take a small black clay ball, roll it out, and flatten it with your finger. This creates the inside of the mouth. To make it look like an open mouth, use your finger to flatten the top edge and taper the corners until they're a bit pointy. Perfect. Next, the teeth. Roll a piece of white clay and press it down slightly. There are your pearly whites. For the tongue, take some red clay. Roll it into a small shape, and let's put it all together. Place the white clay at the top of the black base and the red clay at the bottom. And there you have it, a wide open mouth. For the O sound, just roll a bit of black clay and use a pencil, just like this, to poke a hole right in the center. Easy, right? Create the rest of the mouth shapes the same way.
Now, if you swap these one by one and take photos, it'll look like our apple is actually talking to you.
Now that we have our eyes and mouths, we need a fruit. I'm using this red apple. It's perfect. Stick the eyes and mouth on using double-sided tape. Snap, take your first photo. Now, swap the mouth for a different one and take another photo. Keep switching the eyes and mouths to create movement. Just remember, don't change the eyes as fast as you change the mouths.
Fruits are great, fruits are fun, energy for everyone.
And there it is, our talking apple. I made one with an apple and another with a kiwi. Look how cool this animation turned out.
Hello, Miss Apple. Good day to you.
Hello, Mr. Kiwi. Good day to you, too.
If you liked this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. See you next time. Bye.